Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. I'm back again with new video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. If you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and also turn your bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. So my people, this video will don't they go viral for social media since yesterday. Now I make I constitute shook mouth put for this particular video. So many of them don't see this video say this man actually the video your wife. There are two they actually they make like trouble because of child benefit, like children support money. So this man they wrong and this woman they wrong. Both of them they wrong. But now the man can't they wrong pass. Because we know say we will be women. We need pocket money. We need pocket money well. Because sometimes now they will be say you want to go outside. You go see money where you go take buy something. Not be say if you want to go outside, you go come ask your husband money. Not be say if you want to go here, you go ask your husband money. At least we still need money where we say go there with us. If you want to come out, no go ask husband say, I beg go give me money. I want to buy so thing. No, I want to buy so thing. So women they like they very mad for that thing. If they want to come out for house, they go come ask for money for their husband, and if they want to buy paper, they must ask. So that kind of today somehow that is why we say government still they give for this children benefit for Germany. They call her kindergarten. So that is why I say government say they give kindergarten. And second, if we dey under asylum house for Germany, like Germany where we dey, so you dey under asylum you dey under government. Some people dey under government, they work, not the government they pay them, but they all dey under government, but they work they work, they get their own monthly pay. Not the government they pay, now they pay them. But because of all this kind of thing, everybody now go to use the same high they look, everybody say now government they pay everybody. If government no pay you, you no go fit do this. If government no pay you, no go fit do that. Many people they work, and especially this Germany, they talk of Germany because I never go other country like France, so I don't know how France own go be, but as Germany own be, if you and your husband then you and your husband they live together with your children, your husband they work, now your husband will take the responsibility of that house. So government no get wetin go dey support now. If government want even support now, small na government go take dey support, and that support wey government want dey support now, the woman government they always put her for a account. The woman account now government they always put her. I mean they say kindergarten. Now the woman account government they put that money. But most Nigerian men they very greedy for them to leave that money for their wife. Like they very greedy for that. They can do anything just to have that small money will remain. Because what make many women for this Germany become single mother now, this kind of thing they make many women they become single mother. When you go there with man, when the man they work, and the man pocket, the man account, the whole money they enter. At the end of the month, the man no go fit give you €100, €200 wey be say you go use for your own self as a woman, take buy wetin you need as a woman. The man no go fit give you. So that kind of thing they lead woman to as single mother. That kind of thing go make the woman go tell government say, I don't want this man again. The man no dey give me any money. Nothing wey the man they do for me. I want do on my own, man they collect my own children money. This kind of thing they lead to single mother where for this Germany. So when as a husband and wife, una two go sit down, plan something, and plan that go plan. As una take plan born children, as una go see they plan, they do everything for na house. Like I see how much I go fit they give you for every month. See how much I go they give you, take care of your own self as a woman. Even those na €100 or €200, say you want to give the woman go still take, and she go no house, she go take manage that money till that month go end. Because sometimes go day when the woman family fit need money, so the woman go fit dey like shame to go even ask the husband say, my sister or my brother need something, I want send money to my brother or sister or my mother. Or no be every time woman go dey tell husband like that, say I want send money go give my brother or my sister or my mother. Sometimes the woman go collect from the one where the man give am. So for that one where the man give am, if he take for that one give her mother or her sister or her brother or anybody where she want give, So that kind problem no go dey happen for the marriage like that again. So many men dey cause all this kind problem, all those men wey stingy. So people wey dey Africa now go dey know say na government dey take care of dey for abroad. Everybody for Africa now dey talk and dey go. So na government dey take care of people wey dey abroad. They no dey fit dey work, they no dey fit dey do anything. That is why you dey see say dem dey Facebook, they dey live video 24 hours a day. Many men dey work, even though say you dey under government for this Germany, they go dey under government, but they dey work. Not be government dey take care of them, na they take care of their self. But if one person do something, they go use that person, that eye wey they take look that person, take dey look the rest people. Now make am this one, so as this man and woman wey dey happen and they be from Nigeria, when white people see am, now maybe I don't know the country where they dey, if na Germany or I don't know what country where they dey, if that country people see am now, those people no go even that. They no go that, they'll say yes, na Nigerian men. So they no go even that. They go say yes, Nigerian men they always they do this kind of things. They always they get problem with their wife because of money. You can imagine say this man, you go don't tell where this man they start and the woman no fit bear am again. That is why the woman go just like one make problem. Maybe the woman don't first they tell her small, don't first they keep quiet, don't first they like so okay, I go they ask €1 €2 euro from my husband, and maybe the woman don't tire. That is why she can't still voice out like this. She can't still like make her maybe problem. Everything will happen, may happen. Like some women they do like people they don't wait for this Germany. They will just say what will happen may happen. So men they very greedy. Even men where they collect from government and when they even they work for this Germany, they very greedy for them to buy something for their own pikin where they born. Like pikin where they even born self. They not go fit go out, buy something, give that pikin. But they go sit down for game house with that money, play game with the money. The wife now go they hungry. The wife now go even they borrow the neighbor money. It they happen when for Germany. No be say government no they give them more. Government they give the one way government they give. The one way they work, they collect for the one way. The one way they work, you not go ever say okay as they work or make they do as a man for house. No. That is why you see say many women for this Germany they become single mother. Many women for Europe they become single mother. No be their clear eye. Now something like this they happen to them. When you don't keep quiet, you go one day you go voice out. You know, feel quiet again, say, I want the quiet for this man, I want the quiet. You go voice out one. That is why this woman still voice out like this. And the man now come they even they do the video. Come they video the woman. At least you know so you don't do wrong. Now when you say the woman just they behave like this, and you for your own mind don't know say yeah I don't to do this woman. Okay, might just give up, might just tell and say me no verse. I go bring the money come aside. I go begin they do what I want to do before I go they support now. But not be say you won't carry phone, you go the video the woman, you put her for public, even carry bet. Even carry bet for where children even day when they do this kind of thing for where una children day. If government can't see all this one tomorrow now, they can't carry the children. Then they will come and talk say government carry children from my hand. Because those children now are not they safe, they risk. Under una too now, those children they risk. Government can see this video at any time, any day. They'll come for and carry those children because not fit come they behave like animal for where children they because of money. Because of money, they behave like this for where children they. At least the man go suit the woman out, like give the woman the one way the woman go use for monthly. So women then you go see they go they rough. They not go feel they buy anything for themselves because they don't get the money. When they go ask their husband and say, I beg, I want to buy so hair of €50. Self. The man not go feel give them the money. The man go they very stingy. The man go they very greedy to give that kind of money, €50 to the wife. So make they go even buy something. Sometimes the woman now go say, okay, my cream don't finish, oh, my this one don't finish, oh, my that one don't finish, oh. The man no go fit say make he give the woman €1 to go buy all those things. All those kind of things for marriage, woman no go fit the bearer. That is why this woman can see shout come outside so. See what money they cost, see what child benefits they cost. At least if it was our child benefits, not with you as a man, if for the come outside and the woman if for the come outside, you go still at least leave her for the woman. Make the woman use and take care of herself. Now if she want to ask for another one like the one you don't understand, then you go for come ask her question say those child benefits where government they bring, where what it is and they do. So now you know they able to give the woman anyone. You just they carry everything for your own self. You dey pocket everything for your own self. It don't make sense, my brother. So this child benefit of 18, make una no come dey let other people they use the say I they look the rest men where they have there, they work hard, they provide for their family, they make their family they okay. No, not come they let those white people come they use that the same eye, they look them. That is why you see some people now, their woman go get paper. But for their husband to come get, it go become big problem because they don't see many things like this. Once they give the woman, they can't give the man will come, they begin to do anyhow. They go give the woman paper, they go use and hard the man because of all this kind of situation. Government go say no, we go give this woman, but we no go give the man where they. If we want give the man, go be for another different thing, but from the woman come to give the man, it go hard. Because they go say if they don't give these two people now, wahala go full everywhere. Imagine say they never give this kind of paper, that they behave like they fight for child benefits like this. How you can be? Those people now, as una they use una own, they spoil people where they out there, they spoil their own. So they go make them use the same high. They look the rest people where they have there. Now so all Nigeria they behave because now so white people they talk. When one don't do something, they go one use and rob everybody. Now so all of them they behave. Even this man Agbalagba is big rich, even carry bet for a woman and even the video and safe. So this kind of case can't go court tomorrow. The man, this kind of man will consider the shaft come and say the wife won't put him for problem. Of which na he use the hand put himself for problem because now only him want use the hand the video wetin dey happen. Now he set camera the video everything where they happen. So all those men where they Europe, some lazy Nigerian men where they this abroad, where stingy, especially those stingy ones, for inside. May una repent. May una repent. Nothing will be say nothing be 200 euro or 150 or 100 euro where you go give your wife where born children for you. Nothing. If you give her 200 euro, it not make you not become that man where you want to become tomorrow. Give them. I dey see a lot of men like that. They don't go fit give their wife anything. If their wife want go supermarket, they go calculate for the woman and it no good. May una try, may una change. Never at least when they say they hear Nigerian men. May they hear una name for better thing. If una want even fight safe, no one can put her for public like this. No be money matter. Any house where money for the bring quarrel, they come like say una they drag for money of this one money. That marriage no go fit dey stable. As fast as they fight for money, una fit fight for other things entirely, like other things wey no concern money issue. That one now, if public hear am, the way they want to talk and they go still address am well, but no be money issue. Una go try make una sort things out. Una go sit down. The one that they sit down, plan together, bond. Una go plan together. The one that they use una money. The one that they do everything with una money. No be fight. If it doesn't have fight for nothing tomorrow, fight not change anything. Fight not do anything. But now to the spoil the children mind. Children they sooner like this they fight. Papa they carry bet. This guy pikin fit go school tomorrow, go tell teacher say no go come house. Because the pikin dey fear. You fit want knock your wife now with that bet, you go knock one of your pikin head now, something happen. You go say na child benefit or now who want listen to una two one judge. Nobody will listen to una. Na prison or for go dey listen to una self like that. Nobody. Una go dey regret una self for there. So if una want dey fight for something, wanna fight for something else, not be for money. Wanna fight for different issue. Money issue, no dey reach, no be waiting supposed to bring husband and wife matter come public is a disgrace. And some men where the Europe wanna try, wanna change. All those stingy men for inside, because most men for Europe they're too stingy. They're too stingy for them to even give their wife na problem. They're too greedy. Men like that thing where greedy na their second name. Greediness na their second name. For them to give their wife money na problem, but if you give outside, if you give woman for outside. So now they are talk this video reach. I bet if you never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below, and don't forget to share this video and give this video a thumbs up till I see you next time on my next video. Stay blessed and bye bye.